Gaming mice for FPS games aren't too flashy. They don't have the multiple side buttons that you can find on dedicated MMO mice, and instead they usually only have 2 side buttons. When it comes to choosing a mouse for your needs, you should also feel comfortable grabbing it and moving it around accurately. Whether you want a reliable wired connection or the freedom of wireless design, mice for FPS games are usually light and easy to move around. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you out with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. We are starting out our list with the ROCCAT KONE AIMO gaming mouse. It features the owl eye optical sensor, unrelenting pointer precision with up to 12,000 dpi modified PixArt 3361 optical sensor, giving you a lethal advantage in any game. The thoughtfully revised tri-button thumb zone features 2 complete buttons suitable for all hand sizes, plus an ergonomic lower button set to Easy Shift Plus. Powered by the comprehensive ROCCAT Swarm Driver and software suite, providing endless customization options for you and your games. It boasts refined ergonomics with enhanced button distinction, but what truly sets it apart is its RGBA double light guides powered by the state-of-the-art AIMO intelligent lighting system. Plus, it uses powerful 32-bit ARM MCU plus onboard memory that lets you store and run macros on the fly. A built-in tracking distance control unit monitors the pick flight of your mouse for heightened accuracy. The G Pro wireless gaming mouse from Logitech is designed with esports professionals in mind. It features Logitech's Hero 16K 16,000 dpi sensor, a lightweight 80-gram frame, and Lightspeed wireless connectivity for a fast 1 millisecond response time. Users can opt to add additional left and right buttons for more functions. Aesthetics-wise, it has a single zone of customizable RGB lighting. All of its settings, including DPI adjustments, button functions, color options, and more, can be adjusted within the Logitech gaming software. Its Lightspeed wireless technology provides you with a 1 millisecond report rate and optimized wireless connectivity for responsive targeting. It can store up to 5 profiles that you can easily switch through to best fit your current application with built-in memory. Additionally, it can last up to 48 hours of use with its lighting on and 60 hours with it off. Up next on the list, we have the BENQ ZOWIE EC2-A ergonomic gaming mouse. It has an ergonomic design that comes with multiple shapes and sizes to maximize performance and provide a comfortable gaming experience for competitive esports players. The consistent tactile feedback eliminates double switch presses, ensuring efficient functionality and sleek design. The ZOWIE EC-A allows your fingertips to hold and cover your mouse so that you can operate precisely and smoothly. The shape of the right side of the mouse is well rounded, and it allows the user's fingertips to hold, cover the mouse to move smoothly. The next product on the list is the SteelSeries Rival 600 gaming mouse. It features an exclusive custom center of gravity tuning system with 256 weight configurations and a customizable range from 96G to 128G, ensuring everyone's perfect weight and balance. The powerful 32-bit ARM processor delivers low latency performance, and 60 million click mechanical switches and durable silicone side grips guarantee lifelong durability. It was engineered for professional esports athletes and is a must-have for competitive gaming. Tune your center of gravity with 256 different weight combinations for the perfect balance of any grip or gameplay style. The removable sides allow easy and secure placement of the 8 included 4-gram weights. The next product on the list, we have the RAZER DEATHADDER Elite Gaming Mouse. It features Razer's most advanced optical sensor, Razer mechanical mouse switches, as well as the stellar ergonomics that the top esports professionals swear by. So you'll have unsurpassable accuracy and speed to dominate the playing field. You can get more control with rubberized side grips that provide comfortable hold even during fast, quick swipes. It also offers an esports-grade optical sensor with true 16,000 dpi and tracking at 450 inches per second. Get advanced control by customizing fully programmable keys at your fingertips. Tailor your gaming experience with programmable buttons and personalize your style through 16.8 million colors with Razer Synapse. Meet up the all-new Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum RGB tunable gaming mouse. This mouse comes equipped with the PMW3366 optical sensor with zero acceleration, smoothing, or filtering across the entire DPI range, 200 to 12,000 DPI. You can use the thumb button to transition between headshot, precise, low sensitivity targeting to lightning fast high DPI maneuvers. Cycle up and down through as many as 5 DPI settings with a click, and the 3 DPI indicator lights tell you which settings you're on. Unlock the scroll wheel for hyperfast continuous scrolling to spin quickly through long pages, or lock it down for single-click precision scrolling. Additionally, this mouse provides a wide variety of weight and balancing configurations, custom RGB lighting, 11 programmable buttons, and on-the-fly DPI shift settings, desk surface tuning, etc. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the CORSAIR M65 RGB Elite Gaming Mouse. It is the most advanced FPS gaming mouse yet, built around a premium aluminum frame for proven durability that will last through a lifetime of gaming. A state-of-the-art precision 18,000 DPI optical sensor, customizable in single DPI steps, provides personalized accuracy to match your playstyle. Simultaneously, a tunable weight system allows you to adjust the weight from as little as 97 grams to 115 grams. Get the most from your games with the ability to remap or assign custom macros to every click. Loaded with extras including onboard profile storage, multi-zone RGB lighting, a dedicated sniper button, and fully programmable with CORSAIR IQ software, it's time to join the elite. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.